Hey everybody, it's Michael Colomb with Travels with Michael, and I'm coming to you with another unboxing video, and I'm wearing a sweater today. It's actually very cold in Los Angeles. It's been raining all weekend, which I'm very happy about because I love the rain, and I just ordered the new Apple Airpods Max, the big ones, because I wanted to see how much better and easier it was to use them when I travel. Because, you know, sometimes I'm on an airplane and there'll be like a screaming baby, or there'll be like a lot of people talking, and there's just a lot of noise, and I want to be able to zone out, especially if I'm out somewhere and I'm working. So I do have the AirPods Pro, which I use and I love them. They're amazing. But I did try these out in the Apple store and I love them, and then they were on sale during Black Friday, so I just got them in. So let's nice big box. Let's see what we got here. I promise in future videos I'll start doing something from above. I don't get a lot of views yet, so you know. But I do enjoy doing these fun videos. They're great, and I get a kick out of them. Okay, here we are. Also, I ordered the blue ones. I think the blue were beautiful. It comes with a smart case. So I got the blue. I could either get the blue or the red. They were actually available earlier than the black or the white ones, so I decided to go for blue because I like the color blue. And I'm just gonna open it. It's not wrapped or anything, so I'm just gonna wrap it. Hope that doesn't mean they're refurbished, but there's, ooh, they're really nice. Look at that. I'm gonna stand up so I can show you. But I just took the box out, and here they are. And basically you just take them out. They're heavy. I like it. And here's the case. And they're wrapped in this paper. So let me just do this paper real quick. Well, I just want to tell you, these are they're heavy. They're heavy, but I like it. They're really nice, and they're beautiful color. I don't know if you guys can see this, but if you undo this, they slide right out. They're really heavy, but like in a good way. You just put them on. I can't even hear my voice really. And they're not even on, so I definitely have to charge them. But I don't know, what do you guys think? I really like the blue ones. I had to turn them on, of course, charge them and connect them, but now this is very interesting. There's a button here, and then there's a dial here. It's kind of like, almost looks like the one that I have on my smartwatch, my Ultra. I'm not gonna lie, I really love this color. This is it's not such a vibrant or striking blue, but it's kind of dull, but I like it. You know, it's subtle. And then there's a charging port right there at the bottom. So there's that. And I don't know if they come with the cable. There's nothing else in the box. All that's in the box is, the only other thing that's in the box is paper. All right, well, they don't come with the charging. That's interesting. Unless that's what was supposed to be there. I don't remember buying them refurbished. That's interesting. I'll have to ask. But that's okay, because I have plenty of plugs, so. But yeah, I will review it. And I'll do a follow-up. I have a few trips coming up because of the holidays, so I plan on using them. And I can tell you there's many times that I have been traveling and that I wish that I had them. So, yeah, makes me a little nervous because the whole case wasn't, you know, usually when you buy an Apple product, you unseal it. It was already unboxed, so I didn't buy them as refurbished that I'm aware of. I'll have to look into that, but they're a really good price. They're in beautiful condition. They look great. I look forward to utilizing them, and I will report back. So, all right. Well, this is Michael Colomb with Travels with Michael, and I look forward to your next adventure.